Thursday? Thursday. It's engine delivery day. Yeah, the engine is somewhere. What we need to do is tidy some space where we actually got room to bring the engine in. Because we haven't done that. Car doesn't move, it's on jacks. So need to clear my temporary tables that I've made. I'm going to clean the toolbox because we're going to use that. We're going to take the toolbox to the dad's car, bang, engine onto the top of the tool mats, drag that in, place it in front of the car. Sounds simple. That's the plan. Not looking forward to the tidying up. Chris, need you to tidy up for me. But yeah, let's tidy up, see if we can make some space, and go from there. There it is. Daddy's turn. He bought me a present. We need to finish cleaning up now.
Spline really to get it in the right place.
Okay.
You can either leave it or just move it once, but remember what happened before when you dropped it inside. Make sure you get a screw a bolt, a long bolt into it.
I don't think my arms are as small as they used to be.
No.
To get into the
It's quarter UNF. You need a screw in there, like a rocker cover. Stud or something. Do you need that rope? No. I was going to use that to
built a trolley. I've got some spare wheels up at the
it
time went out.
You can never have enough of those trolleys.
No.
Just to move stuff around, it just makes it so much easier.
Yeah, the wheels on these stupid things are
well, not meant for this.
not meant for holding an engine. Excellent. That's cool. You ordered the wrong colour green for the rocker cover.
Yeah,
It's cheap though.
Yeah. I used all the original. For
that.
I just had enough, but I didn't have enough for the rocker.
Oh,
well, the other was a chrome, all rusty.
Yeah.
So I used one of those other spare ones.
Yeah. I say, work in the garage isn't a workout.
It's what?
Bit of a workout, that, just to moving the engine. That's cool. So yeah.
Oh, and in that, where's the?
The boxes all in the car there.
What did you break and everything on that other one?
Oh, I didn't break nothing.
Because the bottom, this felt bush.
Yeah.
With slack, they wrapped the metal shaft.
Oh, in tape or something.
With insulation tape
to make it bigger, to then fit in the bush.
Yeah. So just be careful when you put that. Bit back in. So that's all. So that's just the bit that's damaged.
Okay, cool. Yeah, bloody monkeys eating it. He said I broke something. I didn't break anything. I just didn't know how to take it apart. There's a difference, isn't there?
Right.
Oh yeah, gasket on the back of the engine there. On the car work left in the car. Okay, so master cylinders, there's a box of old rubbishy ones. Well, bits of them.
Have you? They're all right, are they?
No, I don't know. So I thought if you check them out, so I was just using them to mock up the pipes.
Right, we can re-rubber them then.
Yeah.
And also they're different, aren't they?
Yeah. So I've looked like checking by the pictures. I've put them in the right order, so I don't matter. But
yeah. Okay. Because of different diameters as well.
Yeah, one of them.
In fact, you can't get one now. one of the diameters. So we just go through a repair kit.
Yeah, well, if you should drip
But it might pay just clean them up and paint them.
Yeah.
Just to make them
well,
tidy.
Foss do this like silvery stuff,
Right.
which I could get a
Yeah.
part of that. You know, I saw somebody else on the Mark ones
They've done it.
done it, and it looked quite good. You know.
Right.
And then yeah, let me show you the hub stuff. Okie dokie. Dad's gone now. Left me with lots of instructions, what to do, what not to do. Good old Dad. Thank you, Dad, again for building this engine for me. Yeah. As being men, it gives us a reason to phone each other and talk to each other because we don't normally. Otherwise, you know what men are like. Let's ignore all situations in life apart from them mechanical ones. So anyway, that's it. We haven't got really time to do any more today apart from just stare at this for a few more minutes. The toolbox, yes, I don't know if I did say I was trying to get around to building a proper wheelie trolley for this engine. Didn't get around to it, and some of the wheels are now broken on this toolbox, but we've managed to get it here. So I've got the electric hoist which I'll use to fit the engine, I think. But what we might do is we'll take the front, drop the front down off its axle stands, and then we can swing the engine over, bosh, drop it in, sweet as a nut. Dad's got some engine mounts on there already, so that's all good. Yeah, he said take the carb off, couple of nuts, just best to do that. Keep that out of the way. Then we can drop the radiator and the carbs back on once the engine's in. Bit of a dusty, I don't know why he didn't keep it in a nice clean storage area. Anyway, all good. Told me I've got to get myself a coil because he didn't come with one. He kept his test coil. Start motor's all on. We've got to do the alternator at some point. Might have to change the brackets for that. But that's all good. Yeah. So I've got rubber UJs and everything for the drive shafts. Need to just make sure what bits we're missing on at the other end of the drive shafts. But yeah, we've got a lot to crack on with now to keep Chris happy. I bought new nuts and washers and everything. Thank you, Chris. I'd hate to think you're at home doing your nutting over me using old nuts and rusty nuts. So yeah, nice new shiny nuts for me, Chris. Thanks. So yeah, So I think that'll be it. I can't think of anything else. Fish for tea tonight. Fish and chips. Not from the takeaway, just oven stuff. I haven't heard from you, Malcolm. I don't think. What's you been having for tea? Where are you, Malcolm? Look forward to your updates. So yeah. Thank you again, Dad. You're a star. Till next time. He's taken all the hubs away, taken all the master cylinders away. He's going to check them out, see what they look like, and replace and buy new stuff or whatever we need. So yeah, let's get this engine in over the next few days, hopefully, if we can, and go from there. Cheers, everyone. Have a good evening.